Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you possessive adjectives in Spanish. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Let's get started. So possessive adjectives in Spanish are somehow different from in English. Whenever we use a noun after possessive adjective, if our noun is singular, our possessive adjective has to be singular too. And if our noun is plural form, our possessive adjective has to be plural too. And if it's masculine, our possessive adjective masculine. If our noun is feminine, our possessive adjective has to be feminine too. Now let me explain more. Let's get started. So mi means mine and it's used for singular noun like mi casa. Casa means house. I have one house. Mi casa, my house. Imagine I have two houses or more than one house. I should say mis casas. Mis casas. Because casas or houses is a plural noun, I have to use the plural form of possessive adjective. Next one. Two means your. One person, okay? For example, tu bolígrafo. Bolígrafo means pen. Your pen. You have only one pen. Because of that, you have to use the singular form of possessive adjective. You have to say tu bolígrafo. Imagine you have, for example, two, three, more than one pen. So you have to say tus bolígrafos. Tus means again your and it's used for plural nouns. Tus bolígrafos. Su means her, his, or your. Whenever we want to talk to someone in a formal way, for example, he or she is my boss, is older than me, instead of saying tu or tus, I have to say su. And su is used for a singular noun and the plural form is sus. As an example, su coche means her car or his car, su coche, his car, or your car, su coche, is very formal. So next one is nuestro means our. We have four forms of our in Spanish. Nuestro means our and it's used for masculine and singular nouns. Nuestra again means our and it's used for feminine and singular nouns. Nuestros again means our and it's used for plural and masculine nouns. Nuestras is plural and it's used for feminine nouns. As an example, nuestro padre, our father. We are siblings, we have a father and it should say nuestro padre, our father. Nuestros padres, our fathers, our fathers. For example, we are friends and our fathers are different. So I have to say nuestros padres. Next one, nuestra madre, our mother. We are sisters or we are siblings. I have to say nuestra madre, our mother. Next, nuestras madres. We are friends. Doesn't matter if we are girls or girls and boys together. Nuestras madres, our mothers. Because mother or mothers is, feminine. We have to use the feminine form of our in Spanish. Next one is vuestro, means your, plural. For example, you and your friend, more than one person. So vuestro, for example, vuestro amigo, your friend. For example, all of you together have only one friend. Because of that, and your friend is masculine, for example, is a boy. Because of that, I have to say vuestro amigo. Now the feminine form of that, all of you together have only one friend and your friend is a girl. You have to say vuestra amiga, means your friend. Vuestra amiga. Plural form, vuestros amigos, all of you together have some friends and they are masculine or masculine and feminine with each other, you have to say vuestros amigos, your friends. And the feminine form of that is vuestras amigas, means your friends. All of you have some friends and they are girls. Because of that, we have to say vuestras amigas, your friends. And the next one is su. Su is singular, and it's used for singular nouns. Sus, it's used for plural nouns. Su means their. For example, su familia means their family. Sus familias means their families. Let's make some examples in order to understand how we can use them in sentences. Number 1, mi casa es grande. Mi casa es grande. Casa means house, es means is, grande means big. My house is big. I have only one house. Now I want to say my houses are big. I should say mis casas son grandes. In English I said my houses are big, but in Spanish all parts of my sentences should have concordance with each other. So I said mis casas son grandes. Grandes is an adjective, but it's plural because houses, casas, is plural form. So next example. Tu amigo es amable. Your friend is kind. You have only one friend. Now I want to say your friends are kind. I should say tus amigos son amables. Amable means kind, because amigos is plural form, so our adjective should be plural too. Su casa tiene dos dormitorios. Su casa tiene dos dormitorios. Her house has 2 bedrooms. Dormitorio means bedroom. Or his house has 2 bedrooms. Or whenever I'm talking to someone who is older than me or who is my boss and I want to speak in a formal way, instead of tu casa, your house, I should say su casa. Su casa tiene dos dormitorios. Your house has 2 bedrooms. In our example, I want to say our father works a lot, because father is only one, is singular, and it's masculine, so I have to use the singular and masculine form of our in Spanish. I should say nuestro padre trabaja mucho. Now I want to say our fathers work a lot. I should say nuestros padres trabajan mucho. Nuestros padres trabajan mucho. In our example, I want to say your class is small. I should say vuestra clase es pequeña. Pequeña means small. Vuestra clase es pequeña, because clase, class, is feminine and is singular. I used the singular and feminine form of your, vuestra. Now your classes are small. Vuestras clases son pequeñas. Vuestras clases son pequeñas. Another example with the masculine form of that. I want to say your friend talks a lot. Your friend, more than one person. I should say vuestro amigo, your friend is a boy. Vuestro amigo habla mucho. Now your friends talk a lot. Vuestros amigos hablan mucho. Now your friend is a girl. All of you together have one friend and your friend is a girl. I have to say vuestra amiga habla mucho. Now you have more than one friend and all of them are girls. I should say vuestras amigas hablan mucho. In our example, I want to say their family is rich. Su familia es rica. Now, their families are rich. Sus familias son ricas. So, here, su has another meaning too. whenever we want to talk in a formal way, instead of saying vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras, we can say su or sus. So, su familia es rica, sus familias son ricas. These two sentences have more meanings. We can say, your family is rich, your families are rich, but it's very formal. Let's have a quiz. I want to say we go to the park with our friend, one friend. Nosotros vamos al parque con nuestros amigos. Nuestro amigo. Which one is correct? Yes, nuestro amigo. I said one friend. Because of that, we have to say nuestro amigo. And imagine our friend is a girl. So I have to say nosotros vamos al parque con nuestra amiga. Nuestra amiga. So next example, I want to say their mother is very kind. Sus madre es muy amable. Su madre es muy amable. Which one is correct? Yes, su madre es muy amable because madre is singular, one mother. Next example. I want to say you talk a lot with your sisters. You, I mean more than one person. 2 people, 3 people, you 2, you 3, you 4. Vosotros habláis mucho con vuestra hermana, vuestras hermanas. Which one is correct? Yes, vuestras hermanas. I said your sisters because it's plural. You have to use vuestras hermanas. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a nice time and hasta luego.